Hey, good morning, Simple Stock. Good morning, friends, fam, so on and so forth. Today's April 1st, April Fools, 2026, 9:13 a.m. Listen, guys, yesterday we had a plan, man, and we had the gap here, and they failed to actually look. If you look at it, man, they actually came to it a few different times, touched on it, touched on it, made it like lava. So if they failed, they knew they were going here. So hard bounces, and then we get that headline. We get the headline news, right? So what I'm going to do is on this candle here, I'm going to also make sure I know when we lose it, if we lose it, because that's an important area for me. Okay, if we start to lose this 248.88, that is a very important area to me. That was the top of this candle here. That's what they rallied off of and into. And if you look at the market right now, what are we doing? We're trying to hold that line, okay? Hey, listen, what I'm going to plan to do, obviously, we're still trading this candle here, this big candle here, right? Where Trump made that announcement last week. So what I'm going to try to do is just play the levels. So look, I'm going to expect for next time for them to get above the 250. I'm going to short this area. So I'm going to have a short into this area here. I'm going to look to try to get short around this 251.33 candle. Anything above 250.70, I'm going to look to short, especially at 250.24 as well. So I will start maybe 2 to 3 day puts out in that area, okay? That's just what I'm thinking off the top of my head. And it's just because we're shorting these prior resistance zones and areas. They pinned it here, so on and so forth. I know also, if we start to lose this right here, we can challenge the base that candle. And we do have what? We have harmonics saying, hey, we're ready to take a deep dive. And we're starting to trade them here. So I think I would like to see price jump back up above 249.50, then 250. And then I'll start to build a position, okay? We got a target one at 246.06. Expect if they get here to try to hold, because it's also right around our prior day high. And so you may expect the bounce to come if it does come here, okay? Look right here. We're also building on a 15-minute. It says that we're building resistance at around 250.68 too. Okay, and so same thing we know from our fib. That's all I'm looking for, man. Let the markets do what it wants. Another thing I want you guys to keep your eye on. Let's go to a 4-hour chart. Oops, let's go to a 4-hour chart here. Look at our progress as far as this fib here. So look, remember we said they like this area here. They like that 250 area. That's our 50%. Okay. So keep that in mind. Expect them to try to hold the 240. What is this? 240. What fib is this? The 245.06 fib. Because if you start to lose that, then you can accelerate down to these areas here, and which we thought we would do yesterday. So, let's listen, we don't need to, do anything other than be patient. You know what I mean? That's the hardest part about this. You know what I mean? Short levels, not emotions. We got caught up yesterday, guys. Sorry about that. If you were able to book your profits early, so on and so forth, and kudos to you. I know some people got stuck, like myself. I got stuck yesterday in that position. So I'll be looking to manage that at opening today. Other than that, guys, that's what I'm seeing. That's what I'm looking at. If you got questions, let me know. But like I said, we're still trading this box here. That's our purple box. We're at the upper end of it. I did draw a specific fib right here for that. So, we'll see what happens here, okay? But like I said, I gave you guys my actionable game plan, and let's just see what happens, man. All right. Hey, let's happy trading. Have a good day, you guys. Be patient. As of right now, it's 9:17, so the market's been open about roughly 13 minutes. So let's see where we're at. You know what I mean? Again, I'll be looking to get short above the 250 area. Okay, that's me. All right, have a good day.